Hello, this is my full data source video, and and I just want to talk about where I get this data from. So first of all, I use the United States Census database, and super helpful and super convenient data tool. And I just grab my GeoMap data in here, so you can see it's all labeled in states, and has numbers, and it has non-Hispanic or Latino data. So if you want more details for that, definitely have it. But if you don't want it, just click, and you can export as a CSV. And I can show you that after I output the data's in there, so it looks like here. Yes, it looks like this. So yeah, and I eventually I just grabbed the first 3 lines, I guess. So yeah, that's first kind of source. And also I find this source from the census as well. This has the total population and their estimation from year 2000 and to 2019. I wish I will do one more graph to show the people, like the scatter point, and I use this to tell people, like oh, by the way, this is not Hispanic or Latino here. Yes, so this is the and this is the data source I probably will use to make one more graph to tell the trend, how what's the increase of the Hispanic or Latino population in the United States. And then, so I remember you mentioning this. You wish me to find a source that is not done by someone else, like find some raw data. So I realized that is extremely hard because, if you're doing that, you're probably gonna find every single person's, like name, last name, social security number, and their race, probably in that way, or each city's data set and each state's data set. So it turns out that's really a little bit hard for me to do. So that's why I chose to do in this way. So instead of doing really get into a deep data research, I try to show more graphs and to tell more story. And I guess if you're not happy with that, I definitely can try to find something else. And so for the second part of my the word similarity, I find this 1,000 most common Spanish words frequency vocabulary, and so here is the table. And so I did some web scraping, and so yeah, this is basically the second part. I did some I just grabbed this table from the website, so not super hard. And for the third part, I do have I used the GeoGuess and to grab some random pictures in Spain or in other countries, but actually that was on my other computer. So yeah, I will definitely resubmit this video to show you that part. But this is so far for my full data sets. And I will definitely resubmit this video again. And